Hey guys, today my mom is going to show you how to make creamy salmon piccata. Now this is our first video, so we haven't perfected our art yet. With that in mind, watch and listen closely because the audio does not match the video. First, you'll need all of your ingredients laying out. Clean salmon fillet, Italian seasoning, paprika, salt, black pepper, butter, oregano, capers, garlic, chicken broth, cornstarch, white wine, lemon juice, and olive oil. If you missed any of that, I'll be adding the ingredients to the description below. It comes in a little late in the video, but the first thing my mom did was boil her potatoes in water, which you could do at any point. Now, while your potatoes are boiling, you need to start by patting your salmon dry with a paper towel. Then you need to season it with the Italian seasoning, paprika, oregano, salt and pepper, and let it sit for 5 minutes. You can begin mashing your potatoes as you wait for the seasoning to seep in. To the potato, you need to add the butter, black pepper, salt, and heavy cream. Mix that in really well. Going back to the salmon now. In a frying pan, add some olive oil and warm it on a medium heat. Add the salmon to the hot pan and cook it until it's fully cooked. And you'll know this when it starts to turn a golden brown. You then need to remove the salmon from the pan into a cutting board or a plate. In the same pan you made the salmon, you'll make the piccata sauce. Start by adding your chopped garlic, capers, butter into the frying pan. Then in a cup, mix a cup of chicken broth and a tablespoon of cornstarch and then add it to the pan along with 2 tablespoons of white wine. Be careful when adding salt in this ingredient. Keep in mind that the butter and capers already have salt in it. That's all for the piccata sauce.